Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hello to all my Vega vibers. We finally got a box for the Dart. Got it from Amazon. Took a while to get here. It was delayed 4 days. But I got something that I've been wanting to do for the longest. Sneak peek, shifter, silver, Quicksilver, sweet. Okay, so I didn't get this one, and I didn't get this one. I got this Quicksilver, but in black chrome. Hopefully that's what's in the box. So let me pull up a chair, and let's unbox it. Oh, it's got some weight to it. Got some packing material. Nothing in there. All right. Boy, this box looks like it was tumbling around. Oh, okay. Looks like we have a cover here. You know what? Let's just get everything out of the box. We'll lay it on across the table here. This feels like the shifter cable. Okay, this is the cover. The other one is the top cover. Okay, this one covers the whole shifter mechanism. Isn't that pretty? They're so pretty when they're brand new, huh? Oh, we got some more in here. Okay, this looks like something that would go on top of the knob. And we got 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is made for either 4-speed or 3-speed automatic. Nice, nice. Let's go ahead and empty the rest of this out. Ooh, like a puzzle. All right, I'm gonna have fun putting this together. Here's the ball shifter. Nice rubber cover, dust cover, and installation instructions. Some decals. We won't be using that. All right, let's see what we have. Well, you know what? I'm not going to open this because it's not going to get installed today. But I can see here that it has the levers for the shifter itself. I didn't know it come with all this. I may not even use this. But it looks like it's for a Mopar. These two pieces here. We've got an assortment of nuts and bolts and micro switches for reverse. And what would the other one be for? Let's see, reverse and neutral safety. There you go. It's got a wire in here. Is that another switch? No, it's just a plug. All right, this is what I want to see. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. Almost has like a dark purple tint to it. Looks good. I don't know if I like the cover in blue though. It should have, I don't know, gave me the option to get it in black. It's okay. It'll look good. So long as it works. There we go. Ooh, this feels good. Feels like it's got some meat to it. Feels nice and heavy. Yeah, feels like it's a quality piece. I mean, for today, right? It's hard to get quality pieces today. Okay, so how do you use this? You're supposed to press a button here. All right, I guess I have to read the instructions. We'll figure it out. Oh, there's the cover. Okay. That looks good. I think you can cut this to fit. And then this black chrome piece here. Let's see what this looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that's gonna look good. That's gonna look real good. This goes in here. How do you get this on here? Guess it just, oh, okay. Looks like it slips right in place, just like a grommet on your valve covers. Yeah, it's got these little grooves there. You gotta excuse me, guys. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see what I'm doing. With things that is close to me, I can't see them. So I'm going by feel here. Anyway, you guys get the picture. That's how it's gonna look. I mean, it's gonna look better than that, but that's basically what it's gonna be. Oh wow, that looks good. Oh, I can't wait to put this on. That's gonna be for another video. But that looks good. I'm gonna figure out how this operates, and then I'll put up a new video on how I install this. It's gonna look good. Anyway, I'm out of here. I'm done for today. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.